Hello friends, my name Dr. Sunil Kumar Jatav or today we are going to discuss the exploration for mineral deposits. This is the lecture third of the non-ferrous metal extraction course. So you are welcome in my YouTube channel Meta Engineering. So let's start with the tagline Field Metallurgy. So, what is the exploration? Exploration is the searching or movement to find the some new and the some find the something new. Like here, the exploration for mineral deposits. So we are this is the searching of the new deposits for the minerals. First, we discuss the minerals. Minerals is a the naturally occurring inorganic compounds which consist of one or more metals in association with non-metal such as oxygen, oxygen, sulfur, and the halogen. And the minerals also contain the fixed compositions and minerals also have the well defined physical chemical properties. For the example, hematite is the mineral of iron which has the chemical formula Fe2O3. So this has a the fixed compositions. Minerals have the fixed compositions and this also contains the some physical and chemical properties also. The ore is a the aggregate naturally occurring aggregate or a the combination of the minerals from which one or more metals or minerals may be the economically extracted. So the basic difference between the mineral and ore because mostly peoples are confused between the minerals and ore. So is a the mineral is a the naturally occurring inorganic compound which consists of one and more metals with the combination of with the associations the non-metals such as oxygens, sulfur and halogens. Ore is aggregate of the number of one or more minerals. So from the ore we can economically extract the metal economically and we also extract a minerals economically. So there have the some factors which affect the economy of extractions that are the percentage of valuable metal in the ore. So it is before going to extract a metal from the a ore. So first we should determine the valuable metal in that ore. Ki how much percentage available? If the percentage of valuable metal is very low, so that is not the beneficial and that 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 can the metal cannot be the extract economically from the ore. And second is the form in which the metal is occur. So first we have to identify the metal in that ore in which form is occur, like chloride form, oxide form or sulfide form. So that should not be understood before going to the extract the metal. And third one is the percentage of impurity in the ore. So there should have the lower percentage of impurity in the ore. So that can be economically extract. And physical conditions of ore. So we have to understand the ore is in which physical conditions is available like liquid form, solid forms. So that should be understand. The factor which affect is the location and magnitude of the ore deposit. So we have to find the location is the suitable for the transportation, and that location we can extract that metal economically. And what is the magnitude of that ore deposit, that should be the identify. And mm, so locations means in the hills, in the some ore are found on the hills, so there have the very problem to establish the technology there to extract the metal. And some transportations also affect that. So transportation facility should be the available to extract the metal economically. Last is the market value of the metal. The market value of metal should be the higher. If market value is the poor market value of the metal, so that cannot be the economical. If the market value is the low, so that should the in the ore deposit, the percentage of valuable metal should be the high. And transportations, easily transportation is available, so that should other factors should be the easily available, then can be the extract. Otherwise the market value is very low, so that metal cannot be the extract economically. So, in the ancient times, on the basis of the physical characteristic like color and crystalline shape, on these physical property, the exploration is carried out of the some minerals, because that ores are the spotted on the surface of surface of earth, so that easily can find. But that times some ore, yeah, some minerals also also in the also hidden under the soils, that cannot be that cannot be the extract, that cannot be the explore, because there that times there have no the technology, so they cannot be the fund, so the ores are under the soils are the remain unnoticed due to the limitations of the technology. If you want to the accurate location and a quantitative estimation of the mineral deposits, so there have the necessary there have a important necessary scientific method should be the applied on the basis of magnetic properties, electrical properties, and electromagnetic properties of the ore bodies. Some principles methods are the employed in the mineral explorations. And other geophysical methods, namely gravitational, seismic, and radioactive methods, are normally used for the oil exploration. So, the most important exploration methods are the magnetic and electric methods, by which we can explore the mineral deposits. So first we will discuss the magnetic methods. So what are the magnetic method? So the magnetic method tell about the magnitude and locations of the um, magnetic ore body on the variations of the vertical and horizontal intensity. So the working principle of magnetic method are based on the fact the magnetic ore deposit disturb the earth's magnetic field in their vicinity. So due to the disturbance in the earth's magnetic field in their vicinity, so we can find easily the locations and the suspicious magnetic ore bodies. Buried deposits of the magnetite like iron ore and nickel and cobalt bearing ores are detected by the instruments such as the magnetometer and variometer. Alluvial deposit of the gold and platinum are located with of these instruments indirectly, and these deposits often contain the abundant grains of the magnetite. A magnetic survey performed by these instruments yields contour maps of the ore deposits. So the dimensions of the ore can vary, can be or vary, can be the estimated by the measuring the variations of the verticals and horizontal intensity curve. So we can find the exact locations and orientations of the ore body by the variations of uh, these these magnetic intensity and magnetic intensity in the horizontal and the vertical directions. So there have the this is the magnetic core body under the soil, and by the moving on the surface, so the uh, instrument instrument give the signal on signal vertically and horizontally. So on the basis we can find this ore body. Second method is the electric method. So the electric method is based on the conductivity difference between the ore body and some adjacent rock. Because the conductivity of the ore body have the higher, but some adjacent bodies have the lower conductivity but higher resistivity, and ore body have the lower resistivity and higher conductivity. So on the basis of resistivity signal, we can find this ore body. If there have any, if there have any deflection in the conductivity, so there can be the find some suspected body under the surface of the earth. So conductivity measurement indicate both presence and magnitude of the body. So the how this signal we can get. So first by passing the direct and alternating current into the ground between the pair of the earth electrode. So here this is the electrode, and the by using the voltmeter, and by the electric current is the applied, and due to the electric current we can get the signal in the form of the resistivity. So there have the some sudden dropping in the resistivity. So this signal, by on the basis of this signal we can find there have the some conducting body. So this electric conducting body may be the a ore body. So there we found a hint of the dropping the resistivity due to which we can estimate it. We can get the idea about the ore body. Then we start to trails, and after that we get the sample, and then other process is performs other process are performed. So uh, in this method we can the conductivity measurement are supplemented by the measurement of the potential at the ground. So from these potential data we can draw the some equipotential line on the map surface. So here we draw the some current flow lines, and on the perpendicular we can draw the some equipotential lines. The line always the perpendicular, and if there have the any ore and mineral body under the earth's surface, so these lines are the deflected. On the basis of this deflection we can find the volume of the ore body, and locations and orientations of these body we can easily find. So these are the some exploration method for the mineral deposits, and there also have the some other method like electromagnetic methods, and some other methods are also used for the other ores and oil explorations. So, but for the mineral deposit, these two methods is the widely used, and these are the very important methods for the exploration of the mineral deposit. So I think I hope you like this. I hope uh, you find the very interesting this video, and if you like this video, so please like and subscribe this video, and if you have any doubt you can ask the questions uh, by writing your question in the comment box. Thank you.